Jeffrey with Howells Carpet Cleaning here, and we are going to be cleaning up a rug. This rug does have quite a bit of urine in it. It is a synthetic rug, so it is pretty forgiving in terms of products that we can use in cleaning it. It can handle quite a bit more agitation and pH and that sort of stuff than what a more of a natural fiber rug can handle. However, like I said, there is a bit of urine, dog urine in this rug. So first things first, before we even get started with the rug cleaning process, we're going to rinse all that nasty urine and everything on out of the rug so that we can go ahead and begin treating the spots and individual things that are in there. But as far as contaminants that are buried and sandwiched in between the layers, typically your hot water extraction just isn't capable of doing such great work. So we make sure that we give everything a good rinse just to get it out of the rug and then make the rug look absolutely pretty and ready to go back to the customer.